Alright, hey guys, welcome back to KILLZONE Outdoors. Today I'm out here with my buddy Jack and we're doing some ice fishing on a lake right over by Forest Lake. It's a secret lake. There's some pretty good sunnies and crappies here. So we're gonna give it a shot and hopefully we come out with our limit.
Oh yeah.
There we go. That was a good one. Feels pretty big. Oh, oh my God, that's a big one.
Holy Trevor, we just got a nice one.
Wow,
hey,
look at that.
They're down there. Missed it. Oh, that big.
Oof, look at that slab.
Oh.
There we go. That was a good one. Feels pretty big. Oh shit. Oh my God. That's a big one.
Holy shit. Trevor, we just got a nice one.
Wow.
Hey, they're
look
down
at
there.
that.
They're down there. Just missed it. Oh, that big.
Look at that slab.
Oh, nice one. Nice one.
Oh, 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 oh.
As big as yours. Oh. These things right here, these get a lot bigger.
Do they? Yeah, that was a good mark.
I'll throw this one back. That one's pretty thick.
Oh.
You alright? He got you?
He got me good, dude. Ooh. That's nice.
Oh yeah.
There we go. It's a nice one. There we go. Another nice one. As I stood up and hit it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, nice. I can always tell it's a crappie right when it gets to the bottom of the hole, it just starts fighting like crazy. Alright, we good.
You know what those plastic things are?
Yeah.
Got one with me?
Dink. Holy sh**! Fuck monster! I'm going. Pretty boy, pretty. But you ain't never seen no fish like that before. Monster.
That was big shit.
Use that for a tip-up bait.
I was wondering why I wasn't fighting.
Alright guys, we're out here. It's the end of the night. Trevor decided to join us. And we had a pretty good night. As you can see, we had some pretty decent crappies. Probably at least a 12, 13 inch. And a couple, probably 11 inchers. Had some nice bluegills. Jack wanted to keep a bass. He wanted to just try it out, see what it tastes like.
Hey.
But yeah, it was a good night.
Great night.